Hello Internet, my name is Tom and today's video will be a continuation of the My Bike series. We're going to look at a 1983 Schwinn Voyager that I picked up last spring from a local bike shop that went out of business, and they found this bike in their warehouse, brand new, never ridden. I paid about $175 for it and felt like I got a bargain. For the most part, I've left the bike in factory condition except for a few safety and comfort issues. One of the first things I changed was the bar tape that had the slide-on foam grips. I've never liked those. And then I also updated the brake levers. I've never cared for the old suicide-style brake. The rear derailleur is a 5-speed Shimano Dior, and the freewheel is a Shimano Uniglide with a 14/28 gear ratio. The front derailleur is a Shimano Dior 3-speed. It has a Takagi Torney 170mm crankset with chain rings of 50, 46, and 30. It came with the old rat trap style steel pedals. For touring, I prefer a BMX style pedal with the studs. This particular brand is Diamondback, and I've had pretty good luck with those. The bike came with an Ariake saddle. It said it was anatomical, but it didn't feel very anatomical to me, so I replaced it with a Brooks B67 touring type saddle. The bag I have on the back is just a generic leather one I got off of Amazon. It was about $18 or $20, but it looks good with the combination of the two. The seat post is an aluminum Truvativ single clamp team seat post. Not sure I pronounced that name correctly. The wheels on this bike are Aria aluminum 27 by 1.25 made in Japan, and the hubs are Shimano, but they have no indication of what model they are. The tires that came with this bike were 30 years old, and while they did not look rotted, I decided I'd better change them. The tire I chose was a Schwalbe Active 1.25 gumwall tire. The stem on this bike has no name on it, but it is aluminum, as are the handlebars. This bike comes with Dior down tube friction shifters. They remind me of the old Schwinn Varsity that I rode in my college days. The bike comes equipped with Diacomp side pole caliper brakes with a quick release mechanism. The bike is drilled and tapped for just a single water bottle mount, so I've added a clamp-on mount. The Voyager is a touring bike and comes equipped with front and rear aluminum rack. The 1983 Voyager came in two colors, smoky pearl and champagne. As you can see, mine is the champagne model. My bike is a 23-inch frame. The wheelbase is 130 centimeters and the rear chainstays are 44 centimeters. The weight of this bike as it sits is 29 pounds. At my age, I don't do any real touring, but my son-in-law and I do a bit of bike packing. So here's a couple of pics of the bike loaded up and ready to go. As you can see, these pics were taken before I added the leather bag and Brooks saddle. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a like and a thumbs up.